Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your first question is, the great Sanskrit poet and dramatist Rajsekhar belonged to the court of which of the following? Answer is option B, Mahendrapal I. In which battle was the Mughal army defeated Rana Pratap Singh of Mewar? Answer is option C, Haldi Ghati. In which year did Annie Besant join the Congress? Answer is option B, 1913. By what name are the temperate grasslands of South America known? Answer is option A, Pampas. What is the term of office of Rajya Sabha MP? Answer is option A, 6 years. Which constitutional organ is empowered to amend the Constitution of India? Answer is option C, Parliament. Unique Identification Authority of India comes under which of the following? Answer is option D, Ministry of Communications and Information Technology. A short-term government security paper is called? Answer is option A, Treasury Bill. Who among the following discovered lysosome? Answer is option D, Christian D. Dewey. Which of the following phenomenon is responsible for the movement of water in plants? Answer is option C, concentration difference and transpiration. What is the fastest land animal in the world? Answer is option C, cheetah. Usually color blindness is? Answer is option A, a genetic disposition. Umbra and penumbra are related to? Answer is option B, shadow. Which of the following refers to hypotheses that are confirmed by various tests? Answer is option C, theory. Which of the following transfections is used to identify glucose? Answer is option A, ammonium silver nitrate. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? Answer is option D, 0.04%. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Answer is option B, Gopal. Who was the lawyer in the famous INA trials? Answer is option B, Bhulabhai Desai. Who demarcated the border line between India and Pakistan? Answer is option B, Radcliffe. Where is the origin of the Amazon River? Answer is option A, Andes Mountains, Peru. What was added to the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act? Answer is option D, socialist and secular. With the prior permission of which of the following bodies a money bill can be introduced in the state legislative assembly? Answer is option D, governor of the state. In the year 1973, the number of seats in the Lok Sabha was increased from 500 to 52 dash. Answer is option C, 545. How does the retina of the human eye form an image? Answer is option C, real and inverted. What type of device is a joystick? Answer is option A, input. Robert Webster is known for his work in which of the following fields? Answer is option D, influenza virus. Which of the following diseases is caused by the virus? Answer is option B, influenza. The movement of a cell against the concentration gradient is called? Answer is option C, active transport. What is lacking in prokaryotic cells? Answer is option D, all of these above. Nuclear membrane, nucleolus, membrane bound by organelles. Friends, if you like the video, if all the content of the video is good, then you will not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Plants grown in brackish water are called. Answer is option C, halophytes. Freon used as a refrigerant is chemically known as. Answer is option C, chlorofluorohydrocarbon. Which of the following does not contain silver? Answer is option D, German silver. Which of the following carbon occurs in nature in its pure form? Answer is option A, diamond. Which of the following types of waves are used in night vision devices? Answer is option A, infrared waves. Which enzyme converts the remaining proteins and peptones into amino acids? Answer is option D, erepsin. Chlorophyll containing autotrophic thallophytes is called as. Answer is option A, algae. What is the most important property of nanomaterials? Answer is option B, friction. What is the main ore of mercury? Answer is option A, cinnabar. What is the common name for ammonium iron sulfate? Answer is option D, moher salt. Rameswaram jewelry is a unique species found only in India. What is it? Answer is option A, spider. In which language was the book Satyarth Prakash written? Answer is option C, Hindi. The Saptaganga theory of state, also known as the theory of seven limbs of the state, was suggested by whom? Answer is option D, Kautilya in Arthashastra. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori near Mount Abu? Answer is option A, Bhimdev Solanki II. At which place in Bengal in 1651 the East India Company obtained permission from the Mughal rulers to do business with a factory? Answer is option B, Kasim Bazar. Which of the following river does not fall into the Arabian Sea? Answer is option C, Chenab. Who among the following first described the earth as a sphere? Answer is option D, Aristotle. Legislative powers are vested in. Answer is option A, Parliament. In which of the following houses of the Parliament is the motion for the removal of the Vice President initiated only? Answer is option B, Upper House. What is 0R? Answer is option B, when matters of utmost importance are raised. Which activity is called tertiary sector activity? Answer is option B, mobile repairing. Which of the following tests helps in diagnosis of cancer? Answer is option C, biopsy test.